Good afternoon, everyone. I've just bought these little green things, green neons, but I've noticed my glass catfish. He's doing this weird, I don't know if it's a mating ritual. I'm guessing that's what it is. I bet he won't do it now, will he? Kind of flips himself over. I bought him young, so he's probably getting to the age where, adulthood's kicking in. No, he ain't gonna do it now, is he? But yeah, he's swimming side by side with another one. So I'm guessing it's there's a few of them there. I got about 6 of them. He's the biggest one. But yeah, there we go, little green neons. I've got 24 of them, but in this tank they kind of disappear a little bit. You can barely see them. But this catfish, he was doing it, and now he's stopped. Which is always the way, isn't it? I don't know anything about their mating behaviour. I don't know if they're male, female, I haven't got a clue. I've just done a water change, well I say just, probably 3 hours ago. Pretty much the same temperature. Oh, come on. See, he's got that lovely red. I've not fed them any bloodworm or anything like that. I'm kind of hoping that he'll do it. But he's not now. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can just see another tail, 5. I guess I might have lost one, I don't know. But he was flipping himself over and over and over. I'm hoping we'll see him do it again. But he'd kind of take himself up to there and start flipping around. And I thought, I'm sure I put dechlorinator in that water. But when you start seeing fish flapping around, it's kind of, oh, did I, didn't I? But whilst we're here, there's my little baby. Absolutely stunning little plecos. God, I have to turn the lights down on them. They look blue and they look green, but I've only just put them in, so stress, I guess. We're also doing really well on the cherry shrimp. There's a little baby one and a semi-adult one. More there. I did put orange and there's another one there. So they're doing really well. Got some lovely guppy endlers. I've got to get rid of some of these as well because there's way too many of them. One down there and there, with a couple down there in the moss. But easy. Come on. Wish I could prod him with a stick or something. He ain't doing it now. It must have been a mating thing, I think. Must have been. Because obviously I was hoping that people watching this have some experience with this type of catfish. They might say, oh yeah. That's the mating thing. I don't even know if they lay eggs or if they're live bearers. I have absolutely no idea. Oh, is he going to do it now? He's kind of taking himself off. No. He's not going to do it, is he? Or she? I've absolutely no idea. But yeah, I'll sit here. I've got the TV right there, but I'll sit down and I just watch this. I record it like that really, and just play it over and over again. Stick that on the TV. He's not doing it. Come on, fish. Guppy are easy to tell when they're mating. If there's a boy and a girl, they're mating. It's as simple as. I love their little dance actually. There's that little stunner there. I've just kind of picked nice endlers and nice guppy and just let him get on with it. Come on. He's not going to do it now, is he? Oh, little shrimpy. We've got some nice bamboo shrimp in here as well somewhere. Rabbit snail. I've recently put them into the zebra plec. Got a little baby one there. Oh, no. No, it's not going to focus, but that's a little baby one. Got a few of them actually. So I must be doing something right. Got leopard. They're just about making it there. They tend to hide under there, waiting for the shrimp to come by, I dare say, so they can eat them. But yeah, lovely. Oh, we got a finnage on that one, just absolutely stunning. But no, I was hoping he just kind of rolls around. That one with the red, not the shrimp. That's me, Otto. Yeah, that one there with the red. He kind of rolls around. But he's okay now. But well, if anyone knows what their mating behaviour is, I'd be interested to know, because that's really weird, really strange. Never seen him do that before. And I dare say we're not going to see him again do it. But oh, it's a boy, that one, little boy. You know, I was really hoping to see him come on, but I want to convert this into a zebra plec tank. You know, we'll give him a few minutes more because I know I get. Come on, this he ain't gonna do it, is he? I have noticed though, when it is feeding time, where they do get kind of a little bit excited, they kind of shimmer like a blue colour. First of all, I just thought, oh, that's the shine off the TV, but I've spoken to a few other people that have got them, and they were like, yeah, they do. But yeah, I don't think he's going to do it now. That's really annoying. Did start using carbon last week, and the water's really clean, really clear, so I'm quite happy with that. Quite a lot going on in there though, to be fair. But he is just not gonna, he's not gonna do it now, is he? Oh, a little bumblebee gooby. No. Unless he's done what he's had to do and he's scored. Don't know. But he's, yeah, kind of like, you know, facing upwards and just doing a 360 roll. I thought he might have been dying. But, oh well, never mind. No, he ain't gonna do it. He's not gonna do it. Really annoying. Oh well, never mind. But yeah, if anyone knows what their mating rituals are, or how old they have to be, or difference between the boy and the girl, it'd be pretty cool to find out. It's sod's law in it. I'll put the phone down. I'll be uploading it to YouTube, and he'll just be doing it constantly. Who knows? Oh, well, 10 minutes now. 10, nearly 11 minutes. Nice big fat lizard whiptail. No, you ain't gonna do it. Oh well. Well, if I catch him again, I'll upload another video, but I can't see it doing. Oh well. Enjoy your evening. Bye for now.